Let's play basketball. Let's see what animals come into play. Lion. Bear come. There is a gorilla. T-Rex too. And Mammoth. Mammoth throws the ball. Uh-oh, looks like it is not good at this game. Next turn, T-Rex hits the ball. Oh no, it also failed. Next turn, gorilla in action. Great! Gorilla is really good at basketball. Next turn, the bear throws the ball. Oh, bad throw. Next turn, the lion kicks the ball. Amazing! It managed to score the ball. Wow! This basketball game is amazing.